Tingin. Who's that?
Harap mo, harap mo, harap mo. Pakita
Wow,
mo.
plan! Wow! Keeper, what number is this? 10. Open it too. Open it too. What's that? Wow! Smile nga picture sa dalawang toy mo. Dalawa yan na. Wow! Oh, who's that? And? Wow! What number is this? 9. Open it. Diba? I told you that I give you 10 gifts because you request that you need to receive 10 gifts. Wow! Who's that? Smile nga! Happy! Keeper, what number is this? 8! Good job! Lolo, look! Pag nandito si Lolo. Oh.
Nilalaro na kayo ni Lolo.
Favorite nilang laruin. Oh, what's that? What's that? Yay! Look, what number is this? Malabo, dark. 7. Open it.
Alam niya wala to.
Wow, what's that? Oh, partner ng bigay ni Toto. Who's that? What number is this? What na? 6. Open it. Wow, you have clay. Different colors. Favorite niya din. What's that? What number is that? 5. What's that? Alam na alam ni Mami yung mga favorite niya. No? Yeah. Is that your favorite? Yay! What number is this? 4.
Dami naman.
Ito ang pinabili niya ni Kippy, Daddy. Oh, what's that? Wow! Pina-order niya talaga yan. Tumbler. What's this? 3. Oh, what's that? What's that? Kinder Joy. And what's this? Toothbrush. What number is this? What number? 2. I help you. What's that again?
Color.
You want it? Are you happy?
More color to go. More color to go.
Last gift.
One more.
What's that? Your favorite. What's that? Bunny. Yay!